Hello students, welcome again to all of you in my YouTube channel Maths Guru R.K. Mishra. Today I am going to start another question of exercise 7.1 from CBSE board book class 6. Okay. So question is, write the fraction for the shaded portion. Again I am reading. Write the fraction for the shaded portion. This is question number first. And after that, question number third, question number four, and question number 8. All of these sums we have to solve. These sums are very easy for all of the students. All of you can solve very easily because the process of solving this sum is very easy. Only there is a need of some carefulness. Okay, so pay attention here. This figure is given to us, and with the help of this figure we have to find out the fraction for the shaded portion. All of you are looking in this figure that there are number of boxes 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many boxes? There are 4 boxes. And how many colored boxes? Colored boxes number 1 and number 2. So there are total boxes per 4 and color boxes per 2. Okay. So how can you solve? How can you make this fraction for the shaded portion? So fraction will be formula of the fraction equal shaded portion, or you can write colored portion or shaded portion. Colored part or shaded part. So fraction equal colored part, COLOURED, colored part upon total part. So how many boxes colored? 1 and 2. So in the place of colored part we can write 2. And how many total part? How many boxes in total part? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So you can write here total part in the place of total part 4. All of you know that this is 2, this is 4, and 2 and 4 comes in the table of 2. So if we want to cut, then how can we write it? 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, equal 1 upon 2. That is our answer. In the same way, fraction for this we can write fraction equal colored, here colored part. Again we can write colored part or shaded part. So fraction equal colored part upon total part. Colored part, how many there are? We are looking that there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 balls. In this box there are 8 balls, and number of colored balls equal 1 2 3 and 4. So in the place of colored part we can write 1 2 3 4. How many balls are colored? 4 balls are colored. So in the place of colored part we can write 4. And in the place of total part we can write how many balls total? There are 8 balls. So we can write very easily 8. Now 4 and 8 just come in the table of 4. So take the help of table of 4 and just cut it like this. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. That is 1 upon 2 is our answer. Again, fraction for this fraction equal. This is colored part, same we can write colored part or shaded part. Now we are writing shaded fraction equal shaded part upon total part. There are 1 2 3 4 boxes. and one box is colored or shaded. So in the place of shaded part we can write 1, and total part there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four parts are total. So four boxes are total. So in the place of total part we can write 4. That is our answer. Okay. Again there is another sum. Question number 8. How can we solve this sum? We can solve this sum in the same manner. We can make fraction for this sum in the same manner. Okay. How? Look here. Fraction equal shaded, shaded, shaded part upon total part. So shaded part equal number of boxes shaded 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the place of shaded part we can write 4. And total part, how many total boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the place of total part we can write 9. Now 4 and 9 they don't come in any table. So this will be our answer. Okay, all of you are getting. Now study this, and if there is any problem, any question is arises in your mind, then all of you can ask me very easily. I can solve, I can satisfy you.